Salt is the only dry ingredients we're going to add to this. Now put to heat a pressure cook pot on flame 6 for about a minute before you add the oil. Add the oil. Till you start to see a little smoke. About 1 minute after, add all the chopped ingredients. After 1 minute, add the strips of beef. Allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. You can cover it slightly. So this is at 4 minutes. It's caramelized and it's adding its own flavor. Just let it stay for about 8 minutes all by itself, just like that. So after 8 minutes, it's burning. After 8 minutes, add the white vinegar. The white vinegar helps tenderize it. And we're going to add the browning. We're going to add some water to this later. So we're going to let this stay for about a minute. Then we're going to add the water. So this is 2 cups of water. Just add it to that. Two and 1/2 cup water. pressure it. As soon as it whistles, we're going to turn the stove on 1. But right now it's on 6. After the 8 minutes, if at some point you can't finish cooking, you can put it in the fridge for a day to marinate. So we're going to pressure this for 15 minutes. The proper way to use a pressure cooker is you must put the cover on and make sure it's sealed. Alright? And you put this on. Then you're going to wait for about 3 to 4 minutes until you start to hear the pressure picking up pressure. Once it starts to whistle, put the flame gauge on low. Put the flame gauge between low and off. So you gotta get down and gauge it. The intention is to cook it slow. Not fast, slow. Like that. Like that, listen. The flame is very low. This is where I put it. And that's low. That's off, so it's like almost off. Now it's cooling. When this is up, that means it's cooling. In a little while this is going to go down. That's when it's okay to open it. I'll show you when it's ready. Now when this is completely down, it is safe to open it. See? It's ready. So now we're going to put half onion that we left back, and we're going to put the ketchup in now. We're going to put the ketchup in about 3 minutes. About 1/4 cup of ketchup. And the flame should be on 6. So to recap, after we put the cover on, we let it stay for about 3 minutes until it starts to whistle. Then it whistle for about 50 minutes and I turn it off. Then I let it cool for about 10 minutes. So now I turn it on again. I put the half onion, chopped onion, and a pinch of salt. Like a tablespoon of salt more. And now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And we're going to let this stew for another 5 minutes and turn it off. We're going to add the sliced sweet peppers when it's completely off. See, this is ready. So I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn it off. Now you just add that, the sweet peppers, and then just stir it lightly, and then that's it. You just cover it and you're good to go. So this is peppered steak. Peppered steak. Peppered steak served with brown rice. Peppered steak served with brown rice. For leftovers, say lunchtime, you can serve this with 2 slices of bread. White bread or wheat bread, or even crackers.